In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add labels in Monday.com. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just getting started with organization tools, using labels can help streamline your workflow and make task management a breeze. Let's dive right in and see how you can make the most of this feature. First things first, head over to the board where you want to add a label. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the board layout, as this will help you navigate through the process smoothly. Once you're on the correct board, look for the plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your board, including our focus today, labels. After clicking the plus icon, you'll be presented with a selection of column options. Here, you want to select status. This column type is essential for adding labels because it allows you to mark different tasks with various states or tags, which is crucial for organizing your board effectively. Now, with the status column added to your board, click on any cell within this column to begin entering your desired values. These values represent the different labels you want for your board. For instance, you might have labels like In Progress, On Hold, or Completed. Feel free to customize these according to the needs of your team or project. Next, to fine-tune your labels and make sure they align perfectly with your workflow, click on any cell again within the status column to enter the edit mode. This step is crucial as it allows you to refine the text and color coordination of each label, making them not only functional, but visually intuitive as well. Once you're in edit mode, look for the Edit Labels button and click it. This action will open up a new window where you can see all the labels associated with this particular column. Here, you can do things like renaming labels, deleting any that aren't needed, or even rearranging them to suit your preferences better. After you've spent some time customizing your labels, simply enter the desired label values by either typing in the name of the label or selecting from an existing list. Make sure each label accurately represents the status it pertains to. This way, when you or your team look at the board, the workflow is straightforward and clear. Finally, once everything looks good, click on Apply. This will ensure that all your changes are saved and active on your board. Congratulations! You've just successfully added and customized labels in Monday.com, enhancing your ability to coordinate and manage tasks seamlessly. Utilizing labels effectively can drastically improve your team's efficiency and communication. By taking these simple steps, you're well on your way to optimizing your project management strategy. Thanks for tuning in to learn this vital skill. Happy organizing!